Do you want to know more about accessible barrier-free homes that provide a ceiling hoist and lift for a barrier-free bathroom? By the end of this video, you'll gain the facts and insights needed to make an informed decision as to going forward with additional training. You're going to love this one. This is fantastic. Well, anyways, my name is Mike Donnelly. I'm the founder of Barrier-Free Contractors and the Accessible Barrier-Free Home Channel. I've built many and retrofitted many accessible homes, creating a barrier-free environment and a barrier-free design for those with mobility challenges. Teaching independent living skills and the implementation of an independent living program, it's really become my mission. And I'd love to train you to become an expert in this fantastic business. So for the best advice, training, and coaching, and in this case, on a ceiling hoist and lift for a barrier-free bathroom, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I put out a new video. Well, a barrier-free design for a ceiling hoist and lift, it allows for a barrier-free living for those with severely mobility challenged individuals. It's very important to develop some home modification ideas that incorporate a ceiling hoist and lift for someone that has those crazy challenges. A barrier-free environment will include designs such as a barrier-free bathroom, curbless shower installation, and many other features of an independent living program. A while ago, I put out a blueprint to a fully accessible home for mobility challenged individuals. And in that, you'll see the barrier-free aspects, accessibility aspects, independence and comfort for those in need. Well, this particular situation, the client cannot, he's relatively immobile. So the barriers that prevent accessibility for him were kind of a basic bathroom, but in this case, he has a tub, as you'll see. So we needed to remove the tub. And then we had to remove the wall that you're going to see here in a second to the bedroom to be open for the lift to be installed into it. That's the bathroom side, and this is the bedroom side. That wall occurs right here above that TV area. And you go from the ceiling through there, as you will see, into the bathroom. So what we did was we removed the tub and we created, we took all the wall out, and then we installed backer studs for the grab bars that are going to be essential. We then installed a new drain and a curbless shower pan, which you're going to see here. And what happens is once we put the mud down, we let it dry, and then we put a liquid waterproof membrane over that, as well as a liquid waterproof membrane for the walls that we've got. So now you've got yourself a really well-sealed and leak-proof drain and wall system. So what happens, what we did in this case, which is really something special, we installed a door for the hoist to go through, and we actually put a door about 2 to 3 feet above the floor, which you're seeing now being addressed. And in this case, you see the door going through the bathroom into the actual, from the bedroom into the actual bathroom. You can see it. And if you notice up top, you're going to see where there's like an 8-inch cutout there, which accepts the lift going through, as you will see in a minute. But here's the door, and it's really cool. This is something special that was devised by a couple of people that work with me, and it's provided a fantastic access for the person that has the mobility challenges. So what happens, let's get back to the rolling shower. So we put the rolling shower in first before we installed actually in conjunction with when we were installing the door. We did it together. And you're going to see here, this is the main bath floor. This is the shower floor itself. And what you've got here is a collapsible dam. And that collapsible dam, what happens is you can roll right over it with a wheelchair. You now have this drain system, which easily accepts water, drains it properly, and then it doesn't allow it to go onto the bath floor. The main bath floor to the shower, with the toilet being reinstalled. Then we install an anti-scald valve so that there's no possibility of a person getting scalded that really can't feel what kind of water is coming out of this valve. This way it prevents any excess hot water or too hot water to come out. We then put the tile work in with a sliding grab bar, and that sliding grab bar houses a sliding shower head, which allows for the client and or the caregiver to be able to easily give the person a shower. And we put specialty grab bars. In this case, you're going to see a tilted grab bar, but we also have a shower accessory grab bar, which a person has complete. There's no way they can pull it off the wall because of the backer studs that we put in. And you're going to notice a doorway that comes in along with the shower curtain. Now the ceiling hoist and the ceiling lift install, this is really where the rubber meets the road. So we're going to put in there, there's the ceiling hoist itself. That's where it begins. And you're going to see where it actually loops around the light there, because we took out the fan, and it goes right in through the bathroom door. And you're going to see here where the bathroom door opens there. That's pretty cool. And the client actually is able to move through the bedroom into the bathroom without any difficulty. It's a fantastic system. So in this mission to make life better for this individual, we took all of the accessibility products through the blueprint, and we made life better for those precious individuals, as is this person. They simply want to live as independently as possible. And in the caregiver situation, this made a world of difference for them, because now they don't have to break their back and to get that person into the bathroom. For me, and for many that are working with me, it's a purpose that is life-changing. So are you ready for action? If you'd like to learn how to get a plan designed specifically for you, for your caregiver, or if you're a caregiver and you want to do a business, this is a great way to become an expert authority on accessible barrier-free homes. And in this case, on the ceiling hoist and lifts. Please click on the link to apply to work with me hand in hand as my client. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and share it with a friend. Thanks for watching, and remember, finish your life with a flourish, because you know what? Ending your life in a way that helps others is just nothing like it. So click on it, and we're going to see you on the other side. Thank you.